Hello there, we are back with something truly exciting here at Synina Properties, and trust me, this one is bigger, bolder and better. Welcome to Beacon by Synina, a stunning new landmark in luxury living right here in Kileleshwa, Nairobi, just off Mandera Road, minutes from Quickmart, and nestled in one of the city's most sought-after neighborhoods. It's been exactly 12 months since we broke ground on this beautiful masterpiece, and we are already up to the 13th floor. The full structure will soar to 17 floors plus ground floor with 2 basement levels. And yes, every homeowner will enjoy 2 private parking bays. Here's where we're at right now. Casting is completed until on the 12th floor. Formwork is ongoing on the 13th floor. Screeding is done up to the 7th floor. Electricals, mechanicals and plastering are progressing well and on the 8th floor. And if you've followed Synina Properties for a while, then you already know quality, timeliness and attention to detail are what we do best. Every project is delivered with heart, hustle and high standards. Beacon by Synina is more than just another apartment complex. It's going to be that address. Sophisticated 3 and 4 bedroom residences with DSQs, grand 5-bedroom duplex and simplex penthouses with world-class amenities and lifestyle features. Here's the part you don't want to miss. We're currently running an early bird discount offer, so get 2 million shillings off on every unit you purchase, but only if you buy within the next 60 days. Lock in your unit today, enjoy flexible payment plans, and watch your investment grow as construction powers on. Whether you're a first-time home buyer, upsizing your lifestyle, or investing from abroad, call us or WhatsApp us on 0769 111 666. You can book your very own private tour and secure your dream home or investment unit before this offer is gone by 30th of September. Beacon by Synina is where inspired living begins.